What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Detroit Love, with another video. Today we're going to take a look at just a quick peek at how we can mod this Toyshock digital pinball into a virtual pinball machine. Let's get it started. So this is my setup. I have the inverter plugged in, going over to the inverter. Got the keyboard. As you can see, there's a missing wire between the two black. I don't know what you're looking for on this quarter inverter board, but let's just examine it completely. This is the rear side. Whatever all that means, I don't know. Maybe you do. All right. Which direction do I need this? Right, so the power is plugged there. Look at the back where that's plugged in at. I don't know if that tells you anything. All right. For power, this is the adapter I'm using. All right, so let's get it plugged in. So I need to try and do this with one hand. It's gonna be a little difficult. Red to the left. Looks, that's in good. Now I need the power to go in here. Only goes in one way. That didn't look like that was it. All right. Let's get power into the board. All right, just make sure none of these cables are touching each other. All right. None of them are touching each other. What I'm doing here. One-handed. All right, we got green light. I don't see, yep, we got power, see that? That came on. So, it's gotta power up the computer. But you see we got power instantly. My power button, my computer. And red light. It's booting up now. And the green light. And we got power. So I hope that's everything that you need to determine what inverter board you have. I got some real close-ups to that. I can't say whether the other one is different or the same. Secure this first. So, got the screen, no problem. So, I'm just dry fitting everything in here to see how it's going to fit. This video board, when it's plugged in here, is huge. And so it's got to be towards the back versus the front because it's too narrow up front. New power supplies come in tomorrow, so I'll be able to get that in, get power to that, get that installed. And then from a hardware standpoint, we should be all set. Then I have to decide, I don't want to have, if I'm going to have this inverter board to this screen, I don't want to have another video controller board going to this one. I don't have to have two of these in there. So I'll probably look at getting another monitor to go up into this guy so that it has a standard output from the computer, which this computer will have VGA, DMI, I believe it is. So I'll have to figure out what I want to do because I just want to limit all of that stuff. If I have this in here twice, that would be kind of crazy. And so that's where I'm at. So once I get that power supply tomorrow, get this stuff laid out, I should be able to get this stuff permanently installed in here using the stock controls, using a new encoder for those controls, using a standard size keyboard and mouse while I'm configuring it. And then once that's done, I'm going to have this thing available to use going forward. But this contraption works to get this stock monitor to be usable with this table.